Hello, my name is Lucas, I'm 24 years old and I'm working in Australia in Beyond Tools for a working holiday visa. Last year I was working for SCM, an Italian brand of woodworking machine too. And this year I just came in Australia to learn different way to work and different brand like Lathe and other. And today right now I'm working on the Woodfast metal lathe, so a big one. Just trying to check if everything working, like the running, the spin and everything, before to send it to the customer. So we can try it on forward. It's turning on one way. I can also adjust the speed. And it's working. Now I'm trying the other way, so the reverse. And it's changed the sand. The spin changed too. I tried the e-stop, it's working, you can start. And I'm trying also after unlock this to move the table to make it longer. So I go in one way and go back after. So that's it, I can clean the machine now and send it to the customers.